Yeah, it's 1983 is when I got in this business, and it's interesting. I went to law school in San Diego at Cal Western. It just took 1 year of law to see that wasn't what I wanted to do. And then I really started looking at and exploring a career path. And the more I looked at financial services, I thought, it'd be a fascinating business. You come in every day and it's a new day. You don't ever have to repeat what happened the day before. It's fascinating. And I thought I could be in a position where I could help folks with their financial plan, with their future, for their kids, their family. And that's certainly been the case. Our investment philosophy goes to this Triad asset allocation that we've developed. And it's really interesting because that Triad is going to be different for every client. So our philosophy for one client will be different than a philosophy for another. We look at what's appropriate for their goals, their objectives, where they are in their journey toward retirement. And as time goes on, that asset allocation is going to change according to who our client is financially. And so I think that has been the key to the success that we have had because of the success that our clients have enjoyed regardless of what these markets may bring. So we take a lot of pride in finding out who our client is financially before we ever make a recommendation. Folks will come in and say, hey, what should I invest in? My answer is always, I don't know until I know a whole lot more about you. Then I can tell you what really is important in your investment portfolio. And that first meeting is really the beginning of a long-term financial plan. Our clients become our friends. They're part of our family. And we want to be there with them through the long haul, regardless of what this market might bring. When you're with one of these big corporate companies, they want you using their IPO, their mutual fund, their insurance company. It may or may not be the best thing for the client, but it's certainly the best thing for the corporation. As an independent, I don't have to worry about that pressure. And in fact, that's a reason that I decided finally to open my own firm 26 years ago. I want to look at my client and see what's best for them and go to the marketplace and find those investment vehicles that are going to best help my client achieve their goals. I get a great deal of satisfaction when I see a client retire and they have achieved their goals, they're happy, their family is happy. That's what I want to be known for. The guy that really has not only put the plan together, but's been a part of that whole process. And it's something that I will always appreciate, being a part of my client's journey to a retirement that's been very successful.